Hello everyone! Today's video is about the while and while loop. Suppose you need to write an algorithm which gives a user exactly 3 attempts to enter their username correctly. You can assume the computer has the correct username in a variable called correct name. First, we have a variable which is called access granted, and we're going to put inside it a Boolean condition which is false. The Boolean condition contains only true or false. And then we will put in variable attempt number 1. We will continue to variable username. We are putting inside it input message which is please enter username. This message will be shown to the user, and the input lets the user to enter his username. When the user enters his username, a while loop condition is going to start. So we will put while attempt is less than or equals to 3 and access granted is equal false. It will go inside the while loop. So here, these two conditions must be true so the while loop can work. If one condition is false, we're going to get out from the while loop. So now we are going to assume that the two conditions are true, so we will enter the while loop. We have an if condition. If username is not equal to the correct name, then we will put another if condition. If attempt is less than 3, then we're going to put in variable username an input message to the user which is incorrect username, please re-enter. In the first if condition, it will work if the username is not equal to correct name, while in the second if condition, if the attempt is less than 3, it will work, while if the attempt is 3 or more, the if condition will not work. Then we will put and if. Then we will add the attempt 1. We will continue to the while loop. Now the attempt is 2, it's less than 3, and the access granted is still equal false. We will continue to the if condition. If username is still not equal to the correct name, then the second if condition and the attempt now is 2 is less than 3, so the if condition is correct. Then the username variable has an input message to the user to display incorrect username, please re-enter. Then we will go to end if the condition and add the attempt 1. So now the attempt is equal to 3. When the user re-enter his username, we will continue to the while loop. While 3 now is less than or equal to 3, this condition is true and the access granted is still equal false. We will get inside the while loop and continue to if condition. If the username is still not equal the correct name, then we will continue to the if condition. Is the attempt is less than 3, this condition is false. Now we will get out from the if condition by putting and if. And then we will continue to attempt and add the attempt 1. While the attempt 3 plus 1 equals to 4. While attempt which is 4 less than or equals 3, this condition is false. So we will get out from the while loop since we need both conditions to be true. Suppose from the third attempt, when while condition was attempt, which is 3, was less than or equals 3, this condition was true, and access granted was equal true. So the while loop will not work since not both of the conditions are true. So we will go to else and put the access granted equals true and put end if and end while, and here the program will stop working since now the user has an access to his account.